Hello friends, today we're going to see how to make chicken wonton. This is so comforting and simply delicious friend. So this is the wonton where I pan fry with a crispy lace skirt. It's simple like a from restaurant style, and this is so good friend. It's so crunchy outside with a skirt and so juicy inside. So friend, the method is the boiling method, whereas I boil with the water, or you can always use the broth or stocks. So just add a spicy soy sauce, and the remaining meat means I'm just put it on the eggplant, and this is the steam version of the
Friends, welcome to
wonton.
the channel Food is God Gift. Please click subscribe button and click that bell button and you will get notification every day. Please like and share and comment. Thank you.
Friend, let's see how to make this yummy delicious wonton. To make this homemade wonton, all you need the one packet wonton wrap, and it's always available at any store. Chicken, carrots, cabbage, garlic, spring onion, and the seasoning. So friend, please check the description below to get that seasoning measurement. So in the food processor, I'm just add all that vegetables, garlic, spring onion, carrots, and cabbage, and we just run this to get nice kosher and chopped texture. So just run it. So some of recipe they always mix all together, mint and cabbage, but I like to have a nice bite vegetable, so I just separate this method. So now I'm showing how to make that seasoning. So it's about 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, half teaspoon sesame oil, half teaspoon of the chili flakes, sugar, and salt. Friends, is simple ingredient and always available in your house. So just try this simple soy seasoning. So in the food processor, I'm just adding that skinless, boneless chicken thighs. It's about 500 grams, and now just add that seasoning about 2 to 3 tablespoon, and I also add a salt about half teaspoon. So friends, you always can control your salt amount to make this filling. So anyway, we're going to have that nice salty dipping sauce, so the salt should be very less when you make that fillings. So now it's ready friend, you just mince nice to chop the meat, and now I just add it to that the chopped vegetable that we chopped earlier. So friend, now we're going to mix this all together until nice combined together. It's simple and you can make it with your children. It's so much fun cooking with your children. So it's now ready. It's completely mixed so well, and it's so good. It smells that sesame oil, and it's so yummy friends. So let's see how to make this wrap or the dumpling or this wonton. So first I just mix that about 1 tablespoon corn flour with about 1/4 cup of the water. So we just make that like a roux, like a liquid, a starchy liquid. So it's going to be our glue to lock that dumpling. So just arranging all that sheet, the wonton sheet, and wrap in one plate or one, and try to use about 1 teaspoon the filling. So once you fill the filling, and quickly we can make all the wonton. So we're going to make different shape and different type of that wonton. I'm going to show you how to wrap in now. So it was so different shape and it's so much fun, it's so cute. So first I'm going to show how to make this the triangle shape, and we're going to fold it other side and we locked it in the end. The other, just put all that the cornstarch liquid on the side to lock this dumpling. So it's so much fun, friends, making different shape. So I made the different shape already. So again we're repeating this process, and once we're done we're going to steam, and some of I'm going to boiled, and some of batch I'm going to pan fry with the skirt method. This is the fish shape. It's so cute, and look at this is the tail, and that is like a head. So it's easy to make it. So friends, now it's ready. Once you're ready, we can start cooking process. So some of batch I'm going to steam. So I just have that steaming pot. Now I just start arranging all that under this steaming pot. I'm going to steam for 8 to 10 minutes. It's sufficient, friends, because the chicken is already minced so finely and it's cooking so fast. So in the pan I just add about 2 tablespoons olive oil, and I'm just arranging all this the triangle or this wonton, or some of people call it a pot sticker. So but I like that skirt method, the lace skirt method, that one time I tried it in a restaurant. It's really nice and crispy and crunchy, so I try to bring it up this in this recipe. So you always can make it with this wonton recipe too, and it's simply so good. The crunchy is so yummy. So I just add about 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, and about 1/4 cup water, and 1 tablespoon rice vinegar. That's the skirt. So it's already let it cook. Now the dumpling or wontons ready. We can transfer to the plate, and we can serve with your favorite choice of sauce. So the skirt is ready, friend. Look at this. The nice lace crispy. It's so crunchy on your each bite. So the remaining dumpling, I'm just boil it, and I like have a different type of the texture of the dumpling. So I'm trying to show you how to you can try to make 3 different varieties of the cooking method. So the remaining minced meat I'm just applied to the eggplant. It's so good, it's so healthy. Now it's complete, friend. Look at this, it's so good. It's simple and homemade, and no time you can make this the wonton feast at home, and your children and everybody going to enjoy this delicious wonton. No time, friends. So friends, wonton is original from the China, and they have many variations of this wonton. Basically they use the pork and shrimp meat to make a stuffing. So but nowadays you can make any type of filling, and even you can make the sweet version with the cream cheese and chocolate, or any type your favorite fillings. Friends, let's enjoy this wonton feast. So this is the eggplant. It's so juicy and so yummy. The meat and the stuffing just perfect. The skirt and pan fried wonton so crunchy each bite and so juicy inside. And this is the boiling method, so soft and just melt in the mouth. And so friends, it's really come out so good, and you can enjoy with your friends and family. So friend, you can make many different of that wonton. The base is the skin and the fillings. You always have a choice to pick any type of filling. You can make the vegetarian or any choice of your fillings, friends. I hope you enjoy this video.
Before you leave, click that subscribe button and the bell button to get the notification. Thank you, friends.